How to sign into your Netflix app from your smart TV. First, go to your Netflix app on your smart TV. If you don't have it, then download it from your App Store or Play Store. Select the Sign In option. Now you will receive two ways to sign in on your smart TV. The first option is using the phone, and the second option is using the remote. We will show you both methods. Let's start. So first method, using your phone. Point the phone camera to screen, to scan the QR code, or visit the website mentioned on the screen. Tap the link. It will open in Netflix app, if you installed the app, or else it open in phone browser. To sign in, please confirm the code, and tap Sign into TV. You are all set. Your TV app page automatically updates. Now you can enjoy Netflix on your TV. Next, second option, using remote. Select Use Remote. Enter your email address, and select Next. Enter your password, and select Next. That's it. Now you can watch your favorites Netflix shows and movies on your TV. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.